Quick reading for March the 19th to the 20th. Sagittarius, your cards are the Eight of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Lovers. Ito yata ang isa sa pinaka lucky, no, or luckiest day for this month. Kasi makikita natin yung actions ni person, whether nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding, separation, kahit wala, makikita natin dito na your person is going to work on things, no, with you. Parang more on offers, more on pagsisilbi, actually. Wala tayong ibang pwedeng word kasi doon, you know. It may sound a little heavy, a little sabihin nating overrated, pero yun kasi yung pagsisilbi. This is also might be an appreciation, no, doon sa inyong mga ginagawa towards them, pag-aalaga sa kanya, pagki-care, no, not just yung sa kanya but also sa relationship. Meron din ditong embrace of an idea na um, parang kayo talaga ang tinadhana sa isa't isa, no? So this is your quick reading, Sagittarius, for March the 19th to the 20th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.